Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 carrot, grated, 400 grams ground meat, beef or beef, pork mix, 250 g spaghetti, 1 cup milk, 1 cup heavy cream, salt and paprika to taste, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add chopped onion and grated carrot. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Add the ground meat and cook until fully browned, breaking it apart with a spatula. Season with salt and paprika. Add the spaghetti directly into the skillet. Pour in the milk and heavy cream. Make sure the pasta is mostly covered with liquid. Cover with a lid and cook on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the spaghetti is fully cooked and the sauce is creamy. Remove from heat and add shredded cheddar cheese. Serve hot and enjoy.